feels like when it doesn't have a turbo.
Yeah.
Surely it's got a bit more than grunt than that without a turbo. Pardon? Fuck yeah. Like I was gripping in my dad's Triton's got a 2.5.
Hey?
My dad's Triton's got a 2.5. And that runs like only 8 PSI. And then my mate has a 2.8 Hilux.
Yeah.
There is a fucking big difference between the two. Especially when you hit 2,500 RPMs and my dad's ute. That's what it's like when it's naturally aspirated.
Yep. But if you'd only be driving 2 wheels, then you'd be a lot wider, so I wouldn't think this.
Oh, yeah. Fuck, I need to strap a turbo to my Astra on Nissan Pulsar. What?
What's your car?
Nissan Pulsar, or pre-badged Nissan Pulsar. So is that flat to the floor, or what would be flat to the floor right there?
What's that?
Was that flat to the floor right there, or are you just going easy on it?
I don't want to suck in too much thrust on my intake.
Ah,
So I close my air filter.
yeah. Oh, because it's running no air filter now.
I've got an air filter. How much light do I got?
So it's running no air filter at the moment.
Nah.
Ah,
Pretty dodgy.
yeah. But now it'd have a sweet induction noise. Nah. The bits of shitty Mirage we were working on had a sweet induction noise. And I think the Mazda that we were working on, someone drilled it out. Yeah.
You only get one ride?
Pardon?
You only get one ride?
Do we?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fucked.
You don't get another ride during the day?
Ah. Bugger.
Oh, it's the first bit, alright.
Yeah. Fuck, I'm like, holy fuck, if we fuck up, this will be bad. No wonder we have so much protection.
Off the start line, you're like, oh fuck!
I'm like, oh my god, like enjoying the whole thing. And then I look at the speed, 130. Holy shit, that's faster than I thought we were going. And then I'm like, oh yeah, no, the wheels will be spinning too.
Nah, not really, not at that speed.
Fuck. See, my car, what was I going to say? I had it up to 130 because I cut off the exhaust pipe.
Yeah.
But that took me like 1.5 k's to get up to that speed. That's a 1.6 for you.
Yeah.
An old ass 1.6.
What year is that? 96 or something?
98.
Oh, yeah.
88, I mean.
Oh, fuck, really?
Yeah.
Is that the square shape pulsar?
No, sort of.
Not the roundish one.
Nah, it's not round, it's square.
Yeah. Fuck yeah, that's old ass.
But if you put your foot down in second gear, you can feel it like take off.
Yeah.
Not that there's much takeoff. Unlike today's automatics where you put your foot down and you hear the induction noise like on the bits of shitty. Well, yeah. And then it's literally 2 seconds before anything happens.
They run a rally around here, eh?
Oh yeah.
They come down here and people speak to them.
Oh yeah.
They put in a big jump.
Oh yeah.
See this here?
Yeah.
They build it up so it's a jump.
So how many cars can be on the track at once? Hey Lance. It fucking hurts. It's way too tight.
What do you want to borrow my head mount?
Not really. It hurts my head. Australian ingenuity, dickhead. What's the point in turning it off though?
Save space?
Nah, I'm gonna use his laptop tonight. You want it? Yeah, no, you can have it. I just gotta use your laptop. The MacBook Air. Because they're so much easier to use. 32 gigabyte. Or a 1 terabyte hard drive. Don't you have a, fucking, what's it called, hard drive? It's the shitty MacBook Air. Yeah, only 128. Pardon? Oh. My Pro's got 500, yet I still need to delete some shit so I can edit videos. Rain jacket probably would have been a good idea. No, I don't know. We would have heard it. Yeah.
You trust your judgment.
You trust your judgment on how far away it is. Fuck, no, that's 130, not 60. Splat. Just for this wanker. Yeah. Wait, remember that? Has anyone seen that video from like 10 years ago on a yellow one that rolled and hit a tree and like it nearly killed someone? I don't know what's up there. What, the whole time I'm explaining how to use the phone? Bang, bang.
You hear the bangs, eh?
I used to think my car was good at going bang. Apparently not. Actually, now that I think about it, minus the turbo noises, they sound pretty similar, being inline 4 engines. Oh.
Yeah, so that's pretty posh.
Roll it, roll it. Do you see him?
What?
He's sticking up both fingers.
Who's that?
Whoever the passenger is. He goes past and he's like that. So I'll go like that to him.
Hey, you know,
Yeah, let's play chicken. He's gonna be pissed off with me.
Who?
What's his name's Mrs.
What?
No. What's his name that was telling me to go get hit by a car before? He's gonna be pissed off because his friend's saying, no, don't kill yourself. But that sound from a distance away though, especially gear changes. That was nothing! No, you let it ride off all through here.
because it goes on camber, I think.
Ah, yeah. You gotta stay within the ruts, like, to get traction. Or if you stay...
There's some rocks down there. We went straight over
Oh,
the
yeah.
top of them. It was like,
And then way out there towards the entrance, there's this fucking huge one. And we'd blown the intercooler hose, but I reckon we would have hit it if we didn't. We're going roaring around at 120. Bang! Oh shit, there goes the tyre.
Yeah.
And its rim. Oh, and there goes the axle as well. And the tie arm rods and all the crap that goes with it. Hello, me in the future, back with shithole Australia.
New Zealand's got the same way.
What? Completely whole.
At least not a shithole.
Yeah.
Oh. Shithole.
No, it's a mountain.
Gully.
Half the places that I have to go to are holes. Like, they're just fucking loitered with drug addicts.
Just go for like on the road and shit this morning.
Yeah.
Shit.
Right in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Please go between the tyres. Oh, smash! Ah, there goes $500 down the drain.
See, soft now. The rain. See it?
Fuck, it has too. I didn't notice. I'm already wet.
You'd be dry too.
Yeah, nah. Nah, yeah. Yeah, nah. Have you seen that photo? It says most Kiwi responses start by going yeah, nah, and the other 2% goes straight to the question, straight to the answer. Mark. Nah. You know, half, like pretty much all the Kiwis, 98% of the time they'll say yeah, nah, and then answer the question. The other 2% of the time they actually answer the question without saying yeah, nah, oh, yeah, nah, oh shit, oh yeah, nah, and then answer it. It's a photo of me, meanwhile in New Zealand, or might have been, yeah. But that's pretty bloody accurate. Stolen the motor.
That was great.
Yeah, stolen. This is now a rider about to die. Can I kick it? Please let me kick it. Oh,
Don't you fucking kick it.
can't aim except for the one that misses. Asian tourists with their GoPros. Nope, see you guys. See the flames?
Yeah.
Boom!
Sick.
That's what my car does. It's a flamethrower.
That thing's smoking.
Yummy. AVGAS. Leaded petrol. What?
Is it leaded?
Yeah. You need that shot of lead in it. Go bang! you guys were poor bastards. You got it banned in 1998 and we got it in 2002. Super. When Super was banned. Super leaded. And then it was like unleaded only. And they still call it unleaded 14 years later. Why don't they just call it regular? Or super. Super unleaded. Here comes Steve-O. Oh no, just Starlet. Nope. Yep.
Yo, I went in that one. That one's slippery as fuck. Like, that one just.
Oh,
they
that smell.
constantly rips.
It's burning a bit of oil. Is that one running AVGAS? That one, just that one.
The yellow one. The yellow one.
Yeah. Why not run the whole fucking lot on it? $2.30 versus $1.60. When you're in the car, you don't give a fuck about that. This one's a bit quiet. Did anyone notice the brake light, how it was flashing? Yeah, it was like flashing like it had a loose wire. Oh, yeah. No, they got their foot like tapping the brake, so they're ready to jam it on. Oh, around the drift carts. Oh, I didn't use the brake. Backfire. Yeah. Because half the screws are missing, I just pull the screws out.